Welcome to the Psychology and Physical Training channel. Awaken the Serpent Within. An introduction to Kundalini Yoga. Kundalini Yoga is a powerful and transformative practice. It aims to awaken the dormant energy at the base of the spine. This energy, known as Kundalini, is often depicted as a coiled serpent. Through specific postures, breathwork, and meditation, we can gently guide this energy upwards. This awakening process is about more than just physical flexibility. It is about expanding our consciousness. We cultivate self-awareness, unlock our potential, and connect with our inner wisdom. Kundalini Yoga offers a path to liberation. We move beyond limitations and embrace our true selves. This ancient practice is a sacred technology. It has been passed down through generations of yogis. Today, it offers us a way to navigate the challenges of modern life. By tapping into our inner power, we can find balance and harmony in a chaotic world. Breath of life. The foundation of Kundalini Yoga. Breath is the bridge between our physical and subtle bodies. In Kundalini Yoga, we harness the power of breath to awaken and direct energy. Each inhale and exhale becomes a conscious act. We influence our state of mind and well-being. Specific breathing techniques, known as pranayama, are integral to the practice. Long, deep breaths calm the nervous system. They reduce stress and anxiety. Rhythmic breathing patterns energize the body. They focus the mind. Through breathwork, we learn to control our life force energy. We become more aware of our internal rhythms. We gain mastery over our reactions. This control empowers us to face challenges with grace and resilience. The dance of energy movement in Kundalini Yoga. Kundalini Yoga incorporates dynamic and fluid movements. These postures, called kriyas, are carefully sequenced. They target specific energy channels in the body. These channels, known as nadis, facilitate the flow of prana, or life force energy. Each kriya is designed to stimulate and balance different aspects of our being. Some kriyas release tension and promote relaxation. Others build strength and increase vitality. Through movement, we purify and strengthen our physical body. We also access deeper states of awareness. The movements in Kundalini Yoga may seem unusual at first. However, each posture serves a purpose. With regular practice, we develop a deeper understanding of the subtle energy body. We experience the transformative power of movement. Sounds of transformation. Chanting in Kundalini Yoga. Sound is a powerful tool for transformation. In Kundalini Yoga, we use chanting to shift our consciousness and connect with our inner light. Mantras, sacred sounds or words, are repeated aloud or silently. They create specific vibrations within the body. These vibrations have a profound effect on our mental and emotional states. They can calm the mind, uplift the spirit, and break through limiting beliefs. The repetition of mantras helps to quiet the constant chatter of the mind. It allows us to access a deeper state of awareness. One of the most well-known mantras in Kundalini Yoga is Sat Nam, which means truth is my identity. This mantra connects us with our true nature. It reminds us of our inherent divinity. Meditation in Kundalini Yoga. In the stillness of meditation, we cultivate inner peace and clarity. Kundalini Yoga incorporates various meditation techniques. They focus on the breath, mantras, or visualizations. Through regular practice, we train the mind to become quiet and still. As we release distractions and find stillness, we access a deep well of wisdom within. We connect with our intuition and gain clarity on our life's path. Meditation is essential for reducing stress, improving focus, and enhancing self-awareness. Kundalini meditations are often accompanied by specific mudras or hand gestures. Mudras direct the flow of energy in the body. They deepen the meditative experience. Poses for relaxation. Kundalini Yoga offers a treasure trove of poses that alleviate stress and promote relaxation. These poses, often combined with specific breathwork and mantras, work synergistically to calm the nervous system and release tension. One such pose is Child's Pose, or Balasana. This gentle forward bend soothes the mind and relieves stress. Another beneficial pose is Legs Up the Wall pose, or Viparita Karani. This restorative inversion calms the mind and promotes lymphatic drainage. By practicing these poses regularly, you can experience a sense of deep calm and tranquility. The physical release translates into emotional well-being, allowing you to navigate the challenges of daily life with more ease and grace. The power of Satnam mantra for self-awareness. The mantra Satnam, meaning "Truth is my identity," is a cornerstone of Kundalini Yoga. This simple yet profound mantra is a powerful tool for connecting with your true self. When chanted with intention, Satnam vibrates through your being, aligning you with your soul's purpose. The repetition of Satnam helps to quiet the mind's endless chatter. It allows you to access a deeper state of awareness where you can connect with your inner wisdom. This mantra reminds you that beneath the surface of thoughts and emotions lies your true essence, pure and unchanging. By incorporating Satnam into your daily life, you can experience greater clarity, purpose, and inner peace. It serves as a constant reminder of your true identity, guiding you towards a more fulfilling and meaningful existence. Integrating Kundalini into daily life, a journey of transformation. Kundalini Yoga is not just a physical practice, it's a lifestyle. Integrating its principles into your daily life can lead to profound transformation. Start by setting aside a few minutes each day for practice. Begin with simple kriyas and gradually increase the duration and intensity. Incorporate Kundalini breathing techniques into your daily routine. Practice long, deep breaths whenever you feel stressed or overwhelmed. Chant Satnam silently throughout the day to stay connected to your inner peace. Remember that consistency is key. Even a few minutes of daily practice can have a significant impact on your well-being. By embracing Kundalini Yoga as a way of life, you embark on a journey of self-discovery, healing, and transformation. Kundalini for all, a practice for every soul. Kundalini Yoga is a practice for everyone, regardless of age, physical ability, or experience. It's a journey of self-exploration and growth, and there's no right or wrong way to practice. Beginners can start with gentle kriyas and gradually work their way up to more challenging poses. Don't be afraid to modify poses to suit your body's needs. Listen to your body and honor its limitations. With regular practice, you'll develop strength, flexibility, and stamina. Kundalini Yoga is a welcoming and supportive practice. Find a qualified teacher who can guide you on your journey and create a safe and nurturing environment for your practice. Embrace the journey and enjoy the transformative power of Kundalini Yoga. Embrace the journey. Find peace and purpose. Kundalini Yoga is a journey of self-discovery and transformation. It's a path to awakening your inner power, finding peace within, and living a more purposeful life. Embrace the practice with an open heart and allow it to guide you on your unique journey. Remember that progress is not linear. There will be ups and downs, challenges, and breakthroughs. Be kind to yourself, celebrate your achievements, and learn from your setbacks. The true beauty of Kundalini Yoga lies in the journey itself. And if you like this video, do not forget to subscribe and follow the Psychology and Physical Training channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.